What's up? What's up, everybody? Monty D here. I want to show y'all, I guess this is going to be my tip for the week. This is called a Kevo by Kwikset. Kevo, Kevo by Kwikset. Kwikset. And what this does is that it gives you the capability of locking your door without using the key. You just tap on the lock and your door's locked, just like that. You can't go in the door. When you want to go in the door, tap on the lock, door's open. As long as you have this fob on your keychain, or either you can sync it to your smartphone. You can sync the lock to your smartphone. That's my tip for the day. Have fun with it, as if you choose to get it.